Hey there, today's video will be about infinite uploads, which is a very useful plugin for any WordPress website. It actually solves one of the biggest problems, which is WordPress sites with tons of images, videos, audio, PDFs, and a lot of different types of media can run into upload limits, and costly storage, overages, sluggish performance, and slow backups are a huge problem in that case. Plus, setting up cloud storage, S3 or Google Cloud, on CDNs is a pain and usually pricey per site. So Infinite Uploads offers a one-click plugin that uploads your entire media library to its own cloud storage and CDN. You skip the third-party accounts, complex setups, and per-site plugin licenses. You also get scalable, fast, and secure and simple plugin. Now, how it technically works. Smart Connect plus PHP String Wrapper. The plugin overrides the WordPress uploads directory using a custom PHP String Wrapper. That means anything uploaded through WP goes straight to Infinite Cloud, not your server. And then when you disconnect, it also downloads all of the media to your server, so you don't have any broken media on the web page. Media libraries scan and sync, so when you install, you can scan your local media asset and push them to cloud with a click. You can optionally delete local copies to free space or restore them later, so one-click style. Also, video uploads, encoding, and streaming is available, or large files bypass host limits are uploaded directly to the cloud, then automatically transcoded into multiple resolutions for adaptive smooth playback via a customizable GDPR-compliant player embedded using a Gutenberg block or shortcode. There are some other technical features that I would like to highlight, but in short, you get a secure, durable, fast, and built-for-scale plugin. It frees up your host, simplifies backups, scales across unlimited sites, and we only pay for what we store and the amount of the storage. Also, we sync our media, use a sleek UI to manage and embed, as you can see, so there are no API keys, no configuration hells. So Infinite Uploads replaces our uploads folder with cloud storage via PHP String Wrapper, and that is all we essentially need to know to get it started. We will need to reconnect. So what I did essentially, I connected, showed you the empty website, then I downloaded some other media, a lot of media actually, and now I'm reconnecting to the cloud. And now we have all of the media that I just uploaded here on our cloud. It's done automatically. So we also are able to upload video to the cloud directly. As you can see, I'm going to upload a couple of those. And as you can see, it's very easy to use. All I did was I logged in to my Infinite Uploads account on their website, and then when it was the time to connect, I already had it all set up. I will also show you how it looks from the website manager. We can manage all of our information on their website as well. So I would like to say it was very easy to understand how all of this works. It is very easy in usage as well. So as you can see, I have 3 websites connected at this point, and all I'm paying for is the amount of the cloud storage that we have. As you can see, my current plan is the starter plan with 50 gigabytes, and I can change the plan from here. Here are all of the available plans, and as you can see, all we are taking into consideration is the space of the storage and some advanced features that not all of the users really need. And I hope this video was useful for you. I wish you the very best in your business, and thank you very much for your time. Bye.